All right, so today is the day when my Insta 362 Link C arrived, and I'm really excited to see what will be in the box. So welcome in my unboxing video. I will just very quickly show you the box, how the box look like. And here you have it. So Insta 360 Link 2C, AI powered 4K webcam. 4K is amazing thing. I'm very excited about this webcam having 4K. And what do we have here? We have 4K resolution, half-inch sensor, AI noise cancelling, and true focus. And this is actually a thing that I'm very happy about. Because my previous webcam unfortunately didn't have it. It has like a static focus. Anyway, on the back we have in the box, what do we have here? Insta 360 Link 2C, magnetic mount, quick start guide, recognition markers, some USB-C and cable. And what else do we have here? I don't know. We will see after opening the box. Auto framing, a whiteboard recognition, smart control, and natural bokeh. I think this is actually an effect that is added programmatically for this particular one. Okay, so that's the box. Let's just unbox it very quickly and see what is inside. We will try to do this. I will try to do this as quick as possible. And let's see what is in the box. All right, we don't need this. Actually, the things that I didn't saw was warranty card and USB Type-C adapter. Okay, let's open this very quickly. And well, let's put it here. Okay, let's see what do we have here. What do we have here? Okay, let's open the box. Open the box. What do we have here? What do you have here? Maybe like that. All right, look at this. So in the box we have, of course, our main guest, an Insta 360 webcam. Okay, very nice. That's actually very, very nice. We as well have this mount clip. Okay, something like that. Very sturdy. It's actually like feel like it's like a metal or something like that. Very sturdy, very solid, very cool. What else do we have here? Taking out of this, we are taking this. We have some Insta 360 up here. Oh, this is of course like some manual, quick start guide. All right, that's the cable, quite long, and USB-C, USB Type-C to a USB Type-A, I believe. Yep, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Yep. Is there anything? No, that's all. Okay, so taking this out of, taking everything out, we have after unpacking, we have all these items. All these items. I don't know if the focus is actually catching up. This camera is actually the most interesting. Let's unpack this as well and see what do we have here very quickly. Alrighty, and that's how the camera look like. It feels actually very solid. This is nice. It feels like some kind of some aluminum or some metal. USB Type-C. Yeah, And that's pretty much it. At the back we have Insta360 logo as well. Yeah, so I'm very curious how that will work after actually connecting this. And I would really like to do a comparison video with the webcam that I already have, which is Facecam MK2, which I'm actually recording video right now. So that's the cable, and that's pretty much it. So basically, I'm really curious how that will look like, and after connecting this and comparing this with Elgato MK2 and seeing how the results will look, because I was trying and I was really looking for this video on YouTube that would compare these two webcams, and I couldn't find it. So I'm very curious about the results. I really think this can be a very equal competition, because Elgato Facecam is very good webcam. I'm very positively surprised with the image quality of this webcam, but this one, I'm really curious how this will stack with the with this new webcam. So yeah, stay tuned and hope and see the fight between these two webcams. Okay, see you in the next one then.